Do you remember when I made the Ladybug Valentine's Day card? Well, it seemed like many people liked that one, so I decided to make a bumblebee version. Follow along and let's make this Bee Mine Valentine's Day card. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. The supplies you'll need are a sheet of black and yellow paper, scissors, glue, a pencil, a black marker, and something to draw a large circle with. The first step is to make the bee's body. To get started, fold the yellow sheet in half to mark the halfway point. Then fold up the bottom corners to meet. Next, fold it in half. Draw a round edge to make it look like an ice cream cone, then cut it out. When you open it up, it should look like a heart. The next step is to make the bee's head. Draw and cut out a circle. Cut 2 thin strips and 2 hearts for the antenna. To make the bee's stripes, rip out 2 long strips out of the black paper. Now let's glue it all together. Cut the strips in half, glue, and cut out the excess paper around the edges. And the last step is to write a message. And this is the final product, a cute bumblebee mine card. Any Valentine will be sure to love. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and happy Valentine's Day.